Ooh, basketball, we're back in the gym, ready to get it in with this fitness workout, okay? Remember, this is just preparation for the games or possibly just a nice little warm-up workout for you when you're not able to get in the gym and you're even at home. We're gonna get a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and if you don't got any of that, just wear a small shirt like me. All right, here we go. Here's the workout. Let's get it in. All right, so we're going to start with some isometric holds. We're going to get into a lunge position, okay? So with that lunge position, we're just going to get down. I'm going to show you that front, okay? We're going to do this for about 20 seconds. Now the goal here is, again, you're just working on that movement that you're going to have in the basketball game. You know, we got through the legs movement, we got stop and return. Something has happened offensively or defensively. All right. Perfect. So now after that, we're going to go lunge squats. Okay. So we got lunge squats, and I'll show that to you sideways as well. We're going to be here. Okay. Boom. Getting a nice dip. Don't have to go too low. Okay. Then I'm going to show it to you sideways. That right foot's going to be extended. Try to keep that knee straight. Try not to let that knee hit the ground. Okay, you do about 15 or 20 of those. Okay, now same thing, but now we're going to lunge jump. Okay? So now we're here, we're working a nice little jump. Very good. Okay. So now the same thing that we just did, we're going to do on the other leg. Okay. So now we have examples for you every time. So make sure you check out the example before you start. Okay. Again, we're going with our lunge hold. Left leg extended forward. And we're just holding. Remember, these movements are going to be all basketball related, especially with step backs, counters, all those different things that you need. It's really going to help you stop on the dime. Kind of like Kyrie, who has a very good skill at that. Then you're holding here. Your legs will get a little shaky, almost like a wall sit. Boom. Now we're up. Okay. Shake it out just a little bit. Now we're going to go ahead and do our lunge squat. Okay, so now we're here. And it's nice and easy. Nice and easy. Good. You can do just a few more if you really don't feel it yet. Okay, it's going to be a nice burn in those quads. Okay, now you have the lunge jump right after, okay? You can do about 10 to 15 of these. Just depends on what you can handle. Ooh. Then remember sideways, just so you can see it. Left leg extended. I'm here. Remember, I'm getting low, trying to keep that chest up. Nice and easy. Nothing too crazy, right? Okay, let's keep going. Breathing hard now. We're almost warmed up. Okay, so now, looking into it, same thing, but now we're gonna squat. Okay, so now you're gonna sit in that chair. Those quads are a little warm now. You feel them activated. You're gonna sit in that chair. I always like to just kind of put my arms out straight. Makes me sit down a little bit more. Okay, in that hold, we're just holding, really sitting in that chair. That's that defensive stance, right? We're gonna be here. We're holding. We're trying to be strong. Might even take a charge here, right? Hold that squat. Be strong in it. Okay, perfect. All right, so now got a little bit of the legs. Got to start working that upper body just a little bit. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go side bends, right? So we're just gonna go this way. Okay. We're going this way. Nice and easy. Nothing too crazy, right? Again, resting those legs a little bit, and then we're getting that bend left and right, all right? Just a little bit of the upper body, okay? Okay, remember now, still going upper body, so we're working those arm circles, okay? Let's go one at a time, right? So we're gonna be here, really focusing on that rotation, right? We're going over the top, almost like you're throwing a ball, all right? Throwing a ball, okay? Working that. Nice and easy. Okay. We got our right. Okay. Then let's go backwards. Nice and easy. Okay, and then we're gonna rotate that other arm forward. This shoulder for me is kind of tight. Yeah. After doing those workouts the other day, really feel some soreness here. So I feel like my pecs and a little bit of my arm is doing more work because my shoulder isn't as good. So again, the warm-ups are key and very important. So now we're gonna go back again, just like this, nice and easy. Ooh, I can feel that. Feel that? Starting to burn. Good. So again, and then if you want to do it together, nice big circles. And then we go backwards, almost like a swimmer, right? Good. Okay. Those again, start to get those shoulders just a little bit more warm, working for that quickness in your hands, and then working on that jump shot, right? Okay, next workout. Okay, so the last warm-up we're gonna do, or the last exercise I should say, is now we're still gonna be here. We're still working that stepping over the hurdle. Okay, so now we're over the top, boom, right? Over the top, boom. Over the top, boom, you get that first leg over, boom, get that second leg over. First leg, second leg. First leg, second leg. First leg, second leg. Now, you can do the same thing going the other way, facing this way, or you can do it going backwards, which is tough. Okay, so now we're going backwards. Ooh. Ooh, trying to get over the hurdle. Almost imagine that there's really a hurdle right here, right now, as I'm trying to get over. Okay. Getting over, getting over, getting over, okay? Now, coming back, boom, boom. Good, 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 good. And then one more time back. Now going back, back, back. I can't even turn that leg sideways. Come on, get over. Ah, one more. Ah. Woo! My hips are tight, but that felt right. It definitely did. So that should get you nice and warm, hips loose, right? We did a little bit with the shoulders. did a little side bend, okay? And then nothing too crazy to where we got tired, but we worked those quads and that lower body, all right? And that's the last part of that workout. And I'm so happy again that you came to get it in with the Daily Trainer. As I've told you before, with the workouts, now with fitness, I'm gonna be here every single day to give you what you need, guaranteed to succeed in the game that you love to play in each and every way. Basketball U, I thank you for coming. And remember, someone's always working. Are you